My dear friends and students, let's continue with 8.3. Today we'll solve the questions 3, 4, and 5 under exercise 8.3, introduction to trigonometry. Okay, let's do 3. If tan 2a equals to this, where this integral, find the value of a. Okay, given tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degrees. We have to find what value of a. So if you will finish watching this video, you will realize that this is very easy and it just gets solved in a minute or so. Okay, so how do we find the value of a from here? How do we find the value of a from the relation that they've given us, right? Okay, so what we do is our target should be to make this tan and cot same, so we replace tan with cot. How do we do that? By using the relation. We know that this is simply we either replace this or this. So how do we make tan into cot? Our formula is tan 90 minus a equals to cot a, right? So how do we make this tan 2a into cot? We do that by writing tan 2a as nothing but cot 90 minus 2a, correct? Tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a, right? It was a lot of confusion part 2. If you have to get confused, you should get confused at this point and not later on, right? So please clear this confusion. This is the relation tan 90 minus a equals to cot a, correct? So this tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a, right? So because this in fact will give us tan 2a, so tan 2a can be written as this. So now we write this is simply nothing but cot 90 minus 2a, not tan 2a, okay? 90 minus 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degrees. You can cancel the cot in cot, so you get 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18, only this part. So this is nothing but 90 plus 18 equals to a plus 2a. This implies 108 equals to 3a. This is a equals to 108 divided by 3. That will give you 3 3s are 9, 36. So the value of a equals to 36 degrees. Okay, so that is question 3. Now let's solve question 4. If tan a equals to cot b, prove that a plus b equals to 90 degrees. Again, this is also an easy question. Solution: given tan a equals to cot b, correct? So again, we use the same idea. We try to replace this tan a in the form of cot. So how do we do that? This will be simply nothing but cot 90 minus a equals to cot b. This implies 90 minus a equals to b. I think it's b, right? Okay, so this implies 90 equals to b plus a, or a plus b equals to 90 degree. That is what we are asked to prove, right? You can write hence proved. So this is also an easy one. Let's try 5. If sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degrees, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay, so given this is the solution, sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degrees, right? Sec 4a equals to cosec a minus 20 degrees. Okay, so now let's try to replace this sec 4a. So we can simply write this as cosec 90 minus 4a equals to cosec a minus 20. So this is nothing but 90 minus 4a equals to a minus 20 degrees. So 90 plus 20 equals to a plus 4a. So this is nothing but 110 equals to 5a. A equals to 110 divided by 5. So 110 divided by 5 will give us 22 degrees. Okay, so this is how we solve the question for exercise 8.3, which is the easiest exercise in this chapter. This are question 3, 4 and 5. If you have any confusion anywhere where you don't understand, please drop in a comment below and we will try to explain it in the comment section. Thank you.